Hi guys, this is Malinder. Let's see how you can get Google Analytics data directly to a Google spreadsheet. Just go to add-ons and you can get the Google Analytics add-on. If you have it, go to creating a new report. You can just do a Google search on how you can get data from Google Analytics to a Google spreadsheet. You might get a better detailed version of what I'm doing now. So let's just quickly run this. Let me select uh, so when you're looking at average order value, there are two things that you need to look at. One is users, you need the number of users, and you also need the average order value. The reason that we need users is if you only have two users and for that segment with two users, it shows a very high average order value, it might not be a good representation. We at least need to have 30 users to conclude that this is a good segment or a profitable segment. And then let's look at user type, count of sessions, mobile device, marketing name, source medium, that's important, and then age. So one thing you can use any dimension that you think is good or might have an impact. So one thing that I do when I run out of ideas to look at dimensions is we go back to Google AdWords, the platform or Facebook platform and see what are the dimensions that you can target with, and then use those dimensions so it becomes very easy when you're launching campaigns. So that's a small tip that you guys can use. So once you have this, we change this to normally to 90 days. This kind of what it does is it looks back from the day that you're running the report to 3 months before. You can even do the same thing with by adding a start date and end date and just run the report. And you might have to be a little patient. All right, so I got my data set. Let's export this and see what we can do with it on the next video on Excel.